14th sum. Problem is x, so divide by x. Before dividing, it moves this side. This also moves this side. So what is going to happen? Solution x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square into log x. So divide by x, dy by dx, because x is cancelled, plus 2 by x into y. X square x cancel, nothing but x log x. X log x. So form is nothing but dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is p, this is q, linear in y. Linear in y. So p is equal to 2 by x. Q is equal to x log x. if is equal to e integration of p into dx. E integration of p is 2 by x. So 2 let comes outside, 1 by x into dx. E to 1 by x in dx nothing but log x. E let 2 more support, log x square. E log cancel nothing but x square. If is nothing but x square. So next what I want to do, solution y if integration of q if dx plus c. Y if is nothing but x square integration of q is x log x dx, sorry, if is x square dx plus c. Okay, y x square, x into x square is x cube log x dx plus c. So once again I can't use Bernoulli's formula because the same problem what we faced in 13th sum. So I want to use integration by parts. Integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. So here I am going to take u as log x. Integration of dv is nothing but x cube into dx. So du by dx, log x differentiate is 1 by x. Du is equal to 1 by x into dx. Integration of dv is v. Integration of x cube is nothing but x power 4 by 4. So y x square is equal to uv. This is u, this is v. Therefore x power 4 by 4 into log x uv multiply minus integration of v du. V is x power 4 by 4 into du. Du is nothing but 1 by x into dx. Add plus c. Don't forget to add in plus c. Add plus c. Okay. Y x square is equal to x power 4 by 4 into log x. Put bracket, no problem. Minus 4 is a constant. Put outside 1 by 4. X nothing but becomes x cube. X cube integration is nothing but x power 4 by 4 plus c. Y x square is equal to x power 4 by 4 into log x minus 1 into x power 4 is x power 4, 4 4s are 16 plus c. Since here LCM is going to be 16 for us, otherwise we can take 16 as LCM and cross multiply 16 as it is. In previous sum they have done like that, but back answer is this one for us, but we take LCM and do the sum because it is better for us. Y x square is equal to, for 16 I need to multiply by 4 year and year, multiply by 4 and multiply by 4. So 4 x power 4 into log x minus x power 4. I want to multiply 16, but 16c is once again c. 16c is once again is going to be c. It's nothing but 16. Let 16 moves this side. So 16 y x square is equal to 4 x power 4 log x minus x power 4 plus c is the required equation, just like a previous sum with some changes. That's all. This is a required equation for this sum, but back answer this is over for us, but we have produced some 2 steps because in previous sum we produced so now also we have deriving plus 2 steps. That's all. The last sum of this exercise, 15th sum. Solution dy by dx plus 3 by x y is equal to 1 by x square. Form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is p, this is q, linear in y. P is equal to 3 by x and Q is equal to 1 by x square. IF is equal to power integration of P dx, integration of P 3 by x, 3 take constant, 1 by x into dx, 3 1 by x into dx nothing but log x, let 3 comes upward, so log x cube, and log x cancel, nothing but x cube. So after that solution, what is solution? IF is equal to integration of Q IF into dx plus c. IF is nothing but x cube is equal to integration of Q. What is Q? We have found Q, no, 1 by x square into 1 by x square, 1 by x square. IF, what is IF? X cube into dx plus c. X square, x cube cancel, power 1, no. So y equal to x cube, integration of x into dx plus c. Y into x cube, x square by 2 plus c. X square by 2 plus c. So cross multiply, y into x cube is equal to x square plus 2c divided by 2. But you know 2 is a constant, c is a constant, we can add another constant. Let 2 moves here. 2y x cube is equal to x square plus c. X square plus c. Keep it as it is. What is it given? Y equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. Therefore we can write, which implies x is equal to 1 comma y equal to 2. We get x is equal to 1, y equal to 2, we get x is equal to 1. 2 into y is nothing but 2, no. 2 into y is 2, 1 the whole cube is 1, x square 1 plus c. 2 2s are 4, 1 come this side, 4 minus 1 is equal to c, 3 is equal to c. Now apply c is equal to 3 here. What is going to answer? 2 x cube y or 2y x cube is equal to x square. What is the c we have got? 3. So this is the required equation. From this we have finished in this exercise 10.7. Thank you.